So welcome students. In this question you're given that for an ellipse eccentricity is equal to half and the directrix is x is equal to 4. In that case, what is the equation of ellipse? So let us write the equations correspond to these conditions. Eccentricity is equal to half is straightforward. We know that the equation of directrix is x is equal to a by e. So a by e is given as 4. So a by e is 2a is equal to 4. This implies a is equal to 2. So once you get a, we know a as well as e, I can find b. So b square is equal to a square times 1 minus e square. That's the relation between a square and b square in ellipse. This implies b square is equal to a square is 4 times 1 minus 1 by 4. That is equal to 3. So you have the value of a square, you have the value of b square. So the equation is x square by 4 plus y square by 3 is equal to 1. And this implies 3x square plus 4y square is equal to 12. So this will be the equation of the required ellipse. Thank you.